So the next topic what we are going to discuss is cube as well as cube root. So cube root and square root are somewhat same, but only the difference what we are going to hear is in the squares. While finding the squares, you are multiplying. For example, what is the square of 2 means you are going to multiply 2 times, isn't it? 2 into 2, you are getting 4. So 2 square is nothing but 4 here. Similarly, what is this cube means? In this cube, for example, what is the cube of 1? So cube of 1 means 1 we are going to multiply 3 times here. That is 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. So and cube you are going to represent 1 to the power 3. Okay. So this is cube. What is the cube of 1? Cube of 1 is 1 here. Similarly, 2 to the power 3. That is cube of 3. I can write what is the cube of 2. Isn't it? Cube of 2 is nothing but 2 to the power cube. So that is 2 you are going to multiply 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 here. Okay. Similarly, what is the cube of 3? 3 cube. Okay. Cube of 3, that is 3 you are going to multiply 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 here. Okay. Similarly, 4 cube, that is cube of 4. The question is, what is the cube of 4 is given means it is you are going to multiply 4 in 3 times. Okay. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are you are getting 64. So 4 cube is nothing but 64. Similarly, 5 cube. 5 cube is nothing but you are going to ask what is the cube of 5. That means 5 you are going to multiply 3 times here. So 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. Okay. Similarly, I want you people to know till 10. Okay. Cube root till 10. So similarly, I can write 6 cube. What is the cube of 6? Okay, so 6 into 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36, 36. 6 you are getting as 206. Okay, so till 10 I want you people to revise or summarize that. Okay, so that while solving the problem you can able to do it. So these are the cubes of a number. What is, for example, if the question is what is the cube of 4, then you should write. So for example, I'll solve that. What is the cube of 4 is given. In that, for that your answer should be, so 4 cube is equals to 4 into 4 into 4, that is equals to 64. Or at least you should write 4 cube is equals to 64. Okay, so this is how you are going to know about the cube of a number. Now the reverse of cube of a number is cube root. So the next topic is cube root. How we are going to find the cube root here? So you know, for example, what is the cube of 4 is given? 4 you are going to multiply 3 times. Cube root is the reverse of cube here. Reverse of cube means, so same example I am consider what is the cube root. Then before that we have to know how we are going to represent cube root here. Since we know square root we are going to represent here, isn't it? In this forms, for example, square root of 4 is nothing but you are going to write square root of 4 as 2. But in the case of cube root you are going to represent in this form. Okay, so that is nothing but, it is nothing but x to the power cube. Okay, x to the power cube is nothing but this is cube root of x. Okay, so for example, if it is for example given what is the cube root of 64, cube root of 64 is nothing but here it is 4 is that. So cube root you are going to represent here, 3 will be there, that is it represents the cube root here. Cube root of 64 is 4, isn't it? What is the cube of 4? Cube of 4 is 64. Cube root of 64 is 4. Okay, reverse whatever I said, it is the cube root is the reverse of cube. So similar to that, what is the cube root of 8 is given. So cube root of 8 is, it is 2, isn't it? So 2 cube is nothing but 8. Cube root of 8 is nothing but 2. And also another one thing you have to remember, that cube root of any negative number is also a negative number. For example, if it is cube root of minus 64 is given, means then cube root of negative number is also a negative. What is the cube root you are getting? That will be negative. For example, cube root of minus 8 is given, means then you are getting answer as minus 2. Okay, I hope everyone have clear with this how we are going to find the cube of a number and how we are going to find the reverse of cube. That is nothing but how we are going to find the cube root of a number. Okay, so based on this, I have given you the worksheet. Try to do it. If any doubts is there, means we will discuss in a live session. Thank you.